Have you ever created a PowerPoint slide full of bullet points and felt like it looks plain, dull? Well, not anymore. In this video, I will show you step by step how to transform those boring bullet points into a clean, animated smart art list that looks dynamic and professional. Let's start the video. Start with your plain list of bullet points on a blank slide. Select the entire list, right click and choose Convert to Smart Art from the gallery and pick the first basic layout. Just like that, your dull text instantly turns into a well-structured graphic. Hold Shift key and select all Smart Art boxes. Then go to Shape Format, click on Shape Fill, select White, change the shape outline to dark gray and set the font color to black. This simple color combination keeps your design modern and readable. Go to Animation tab and from Emphasis Effect, choose Object Color. Click Effect option and select Yellow. This will highlight each point when it appears. Open the animation pane. Set each animation to start on click. So, every bullet highlights one by one during your presentation. But let's make it even better. To make sure only one point is highlighted at a time, let's add a reverse color animation that fades the previous item back to white. Select your SmartArt again, click Add Animation, select Object Color. Open Effect option and this time select white. In the animation pane, set this to start with previous, then reorder them so that each new highlight replaces the previous one smoothly. For example, the yellow highlight comes first, then the white fade follows right after the next highlight begins. Remove the last white fade so your final points stay highlighted. Now, when you preview, you will see each bullet point highlight one by one, creating a smooth professional focus shift effect. And that's it. You just turned a boring bullet point list into a modern animated sequence using SmartArt and the object color effect. This is a quick trick that instantly boosts the visual impact of any presentation, perfect for explaining step, key ideas or comparison. If you found this PowerPoint tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Aksharika Tutorials and hit the bell icon so get more smarter PowerPoint animation tricks every week.